beautiful sound, isn't it? And it can be yours for a special low price. You see, sound is a privacy issue. And I've got a solution. You know the pool noodles, right? That you float on? You can create Lilypad ponds and squirt water into it, and they can be solar power pumped. And you can float them off of your boat to block sound. And you can also put them on your windowsill to go ahead and block laser listening devices that are unfortunately commonly used and sold to a whole bunch of organizations and individuals who don't deserve to have them because they're perverts.